Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the infrastructure of India. Now, what is infrastructure? Infrastructure refers to all such activities, services, and facilities which are needed to provide different kinds of services in an economy. Infrastructure plays an important role in the economic growth of a country. Agriculture, industry, and now increasingly the services sector depends heavily on the infrastructural facilities for their growth. Now, what are the types of infrastructure? First, economic infrastructure, and second, social infrastructure. First, economic infrastructure. It includes infrastructure associated with energy, transportation, and communication. Economic infrastructure is important to promote economic activities, that is, production and trade of goods and services. And second one is social infrastructure. It includes infrastructure associated with education, health, and housing. Social infrastructure consists of provisions of all those services which improve the quality of human resource. Importance of infrastructure. First, facilitates functioning of the economy. Second, agricultural development. Third, economic development. Fourth, better quality of life. Fifth, provides employment. And sixth, facilitates outsourcing. Energy. It is an important input for most of the production processes and consumption activities. There exists a positive correlation between economic growth and demand for energy. The two important sources of energy are: first, commercial energy. It refers to those sources of energy which command a price and the users have to pay a price for them. For example, coal, petroleum, and electricity. And second one is non-commercial energy. It consists of those sources of energy which generally do not command a price. For example, firewood, agricultural waste, and dried dung. What is power? Power or electricity is a critical component of infrastructure which is often identified with progress in modern civilization. There are three main sources of electricity in India. First, thermal power. When power is generated out of coal, oil, and natural gas, it is termed as thermal power. It is the major source of electricity and account for 67% in 2016 for total power generation. Second one is hydroelectric power. When power is generated from the waters of fast flowing rivers or high dams, it is termed as hydroelectric power. It is the cheapest among all the three sources and it has no pollution agent. It is a renewable source of energy. Third one is nuclear or atomic power. When power is generated from the radioactive elements like uranium, thorium, and plutonium, it is termed as nuclear or atomic power. There are various challenges in the power sector which India's power sector is facing. These are: first, inadequate electricity generation. Second one is underutilization of installed capacity. Third one is poor performance of state electricity boards, etc. Health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Development of health infrastructure ensures a country of healthy manpower for production of goods and services. Three-tier system of health infrastructure. India's health infrastructure and healthcare is made up of three-tier system: primary healthcare, secondary healthcare, and tertiary healthcare. Indian systems of medicine. India has its own well-developed alternate system of healthcare, namely Ayush, consisting of 6 systems: Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, Naturopathy, and Homeopathy. People living in rural areas do not have sufficient health infrastructure. This has led to differences in the health status of people. Thank you everyone for watching.